Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're stepping into the realm of luxury and sophistication as we delve into the topic of caring for silk clothes. Silk is a cherished fabric known for its smoothness and elegance. In this video, we're sharing expert tips to help you maintain the beauty and longevity of your silk garments. So, let's embark on a journey of silk care mastery. Silk is a natural fiber spun by silkworms and prized for its lustrous appearance and delicate touch. While silk clothing exudes grace, it requires special attention to ensure it stays as stunning as the day you got it. Hand-washing silk. Hand-washing is often the best way to care for silk. Fill a basin with cold water and add a mild detergent specifically formulated for delicate fabrics. Gently agitate the water to create suds, then immerse your silk garment and swish it softly. Avoid wringing or twisting, as silk fibers are fragile. Machine washing silk. Some silk clothes are labeled as machine washable. If so, opt for a gentle or delicate cycle with cold water. Place the silk garment in a mesh laundry bag to prevent friction and tangling. Using a mild detergent is crucial to prevent damage. Drying silk. After washing, never wring out silk clothes. Instead, gently press excess water by placing the garment between two clean towels. Lay the silk item flat on a clean towel to air dry. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can cause color fading. Preventing color fading. Silk's vibrant colors are part of its charm. To preserve these hues, keep your silk garments away from direct sunlight and harsh artificial light sources. It's also wise to avoid exposing them to excessive humidity. Dealing with stains. Stains on silk can be intimidating, but acting swiftly is key. Blot the stain gently with a clean cloth to absorb as much of the substance as possible. For stubborn stains, consult a professional cleaner experienced with silk fabrics. Ironing and steaming silk. Wrinkles are a common concern with silk clothes. Use a steamer or iron with a silk setting to remove wrinkles. If ironing, place a cloth between the iron and the silk garment to prevent direct contact, as excessive heat can damage the fibers. Dry cleaning silk. For intricate or delicate silk pieces, professional dry cleaning might be the best option. Ensure the cleaner is experienced with silk fabrics to avoid any mishaps. Storing silk clothing. When storing silk garments, make sure they are clean and completely dry. Use breathable garment bags or cotton pillowcases to shield them from dust and light. Consider adding sachets of lavender or cedar to discourage moths. Handling delicate silk. Delicate silk items like lace or silk chiffon blends require extra care. Hand washing in cold water with a mild detergent is recommended. Gently press out excess water without wringing and lay them flat to dry. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to the art of caring for silk clothes. Silk's timeless elegance deserves the finest care, and by following these tips, you can ensure your silk garments continue to grace you with their beauty for years to come. It was fun to have you join us on these fabrics learning journey. See you next time for another interesting topic related to fabrics and textiles.